quick component of blood cell is blood plasma contributes about 55 and 60%. The blood cell fill the rest with its own proximity 410 and 45%, which means cell proximity blood
Leaders, many red and leaders, many blood cells. Erythrocytes are the most abundant blood cell in the body. The red blood cell carry oxygen and other substances, where red blood cells are microvascular cells and do not have a cell. Erythrocytes are pieces of red blood cells that are run in shape with a slit region in the middle. Erythrocytes are red blood cells that are made in the bone marrow during a process cellular erythropoiesis. The red color of the blood cell is due to the presence of hemoglobin, which contains of protein in it. This is the cause of human blood is red. Erythrocytes are very elastic in shape and can change to adapt as they flow through its blood capillaries.
because cells develop neutrophils and lymph cells. Innate lymphoid cells, mast cells, eosinophils, suppress and cells.
Lymphocytes are divided into two main types, namely B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. B lymphocytes make antibodies and T lymphocytes help build human cells and help control the immune response. The two main types of lymphocytes are B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes or B cells and T cells. Both originate from system cells in the bone marrow and initially have a similar appearance.
Leukemia is a bone cancer that can also cause eosinophil livers to increase.
Autoimmune diseases that can cause of basophy in throat.
Blisters form the blacker iron to cause the damaged skin tissue so that the blood that comes out can be stopped. Bloods can also release commercial after small blisters and other cells to continue the convalescent to the next step.
Blood clotting segment is as follows. Number 1, wander out. Number 2, blood comes out. Number 3, blood clots. Number 4, products the enzyme. Number 5, together with calcium and vitamin K, iron converts prothrombin into blood. Number 6, absorbing blood from different directions. Number 7, blocks blood and number 7, block blood. And number 8, and blood.
Before blood transfusion. Before a blood transfusion is performed, the person will have a blood smell. Simple. Taken to check for blood. People visit on the ABO blood or stand still. or O, and the two LR system which is divided into positive and negative with take after the blood group is known, a re-examination will the color out by matching the blood group taken from the donor with the blood group of the recipient. This is known and as course match. During the course match, the doctor not only remembers the blood sample of the donor with the recipient, but also look at the possibility of the emergence of antibodies that can detect the donor's blood cell, the 3D, and the patient's body.
White blood cells that are part of the blood that have important function of the body. The function of white blood cell is to fight of gamma that enter the body. The human body does not mix blood cells to manage the impulse system. However, if the number of white blood cells in our body is less exposed, the normal limit is also not good for the body. The normal white blood cell count is 6,000 or X,000 per 1 cubic millimeter. If in the human body there is an increase in the number of liquids that the possibility of infection in the body. If the liquid count is below 6,000 cells per millimeter of blood, it is called liquid anemia.
Platelets are part of the blood that play an important role in the blood clotting process. The function of platelets is when there is an injury to the blood vessel. When a blood vessel bursts, the platelets will immediately close the wound. Blood platelets are closely related to the wound healing process, so they are often referred to as clotting blood cells. Platelets have various shapes, normally round, oval, and elongated. The number of platelet cells in adult in about cell per 1 cubic millimeter of blood. The condition in which a person has platelet count below or less than normal is called thrombocytopenia. Meanwhile, if the platelet count is greater than is called thrombosis. The lifespan of platelets is quite short, which is about 5 and 9 days. In the bone, the oil and damaged platelets are removed from the bloodstream by the spleen, the repletion by the plates. Platelets function. The main function of platelet is for blood clotting mentioned. When a blood vessel in the body will make work, their main process to regulate the bleeding as follows. Number 1, makes the contraction of the induced blood vessel, and number 2, platelet activity, and number 3, blood clotting activity. When bleeding occurs, the body first response is to contract the induced blood vessel so that the 1/3 in the amount of the blood that comes out is full. This response will trigger the platelet to stick to the area of blood vessels that are injured or torn. Its elastic nature is able to make high protein and able to spread quickly in the bloodstream to get to various organs in the body. After moving to spread throughout the body, every protein will eventually be brought back by the body to spleen to be broken down. Erythrocytes can surface generally about 100 days and or 4 months. Erythrocytes are usually called rectilics. The number can reach 1 and 2% of the total red blood cell. Okay?
Okay.
My, my name is Ahmad Dani.
My name is Biologhy.
My name is Fikar Masa. Thank you for us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.